Before buying side steps for your Ram 1500, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about how some of these options can look great, but may not actually deliver on what you need. Product number 1, COMNOVA running boards. First up, we have the COMNOVA 6 inches running boards. Priced at $145.99, these caught my eye because of their sleek stainless steel design. If you want a sturdy, reliable way to get in and out of your Ram 1500, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These running boards are designed to fit specific models of the Ram 1500 from 2009 to 2018, and they've got a 6-inch wide step that offers a really secure footing. This means you won't have to worry about slipping while getting in or out of your truck. Plus, they support up to 500 pounds, so you can trust they'll hold up well. The stainless steel material is resistant to corrosion and UV radiation, which means they'll keep looking good for years. Now, some people complained about needing to do minor drilling for earlier models. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with simple DIY tasks, it's not a deal breaker. Just know what you're getting into. This is perfect for you if you need something that looks good and performs well on older Ram models. Skip this one if you have a newer model or aren't up for a bit of installation work. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if that minor drilling issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards. Next, let's talk about the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards priced at $199. This caught my attention thanks to its distinctive oval tube design. If you want a stylish look while ensuring safety, you should definitely check this out. The bigger 3.5-inch non-slip step pad means greater stability, which is a big deal when you're getting in or out, especially with groceries or gear in hand. Plus, installation is a breeze with just 20 minutes needed and no drilling required. They also support up to 500 pounds, which is pretty impressive. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, if you aren't comfortable with DIY projects, this might frustrate you a bit. But overall, it's a small inconvenience for a product that looks and performs great. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable running board with a stylish design. Skip this one if detailed instructions are a must for your DIY confidence. Given its quality and style, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might be even better for those who want a bit more customization. Product number 3, COMNOVA Side Steps. Now let's check out the COMNOVA Side Steps running boards, retailing at $199.99. I was intrigued by their 6.5-inch honeycomb step pads. If you want something that offers ease of access for everyone, including kids and the elderly, this one's worth your attention. The step pads are non-slip, so safety is a priority here, which really matters if you're often loading and unloading kids or gear. They also feature an innovative slider design allowing you to adjust their position on the vehicle. This customizability is pretty cool, but some customers reported that the installation could be tricky without the right tools. Here's the thing though, if you have basic tools and a little patience, it can be a manageable project. Just plan ahead. This is perfect for you if you have a newer Ram 1500 and need something that's easy to step on. Skip this if you want something super straightforward to install without any adjustments. Given the design and safety features, it's a solid buy. If that customization isn't your thing, the next product is more straightforward. Product number 4, Tiger Auto Track Side Steps. Next, we have the Tiger Auto Track Side Steps, priced at $289. This one stood out to me because of its heavy-duty construction. If you want something that's going to last while providing an easy step-up, this might catch your interest. These steps are designed for the 2019-2026 Ram 1500 Crew Cab, and what impressed me is the dual tubular structure that provides a stable entry point. They've got a textured powder coating finish for rust and corrosion resistance, which is crucial for durability, especially if you live in a harsh climate. Like the others, installation is also a breeze with no drilling required, which is a big plus for DIYers. However, some users did mention that the price point is higher than others on the list. I understand that can be a concern, but honestly, if you're looking for something that can withstand years of wear and tear, it might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and a secure step. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for something more affordable. Given its quality, it's a good investment for long-term use. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the last product could be right up your alley. Product number 5, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards 2010-2018. Lastly, we have the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards compatible with 2010-2018 models, priced at $179. I was drawn to the seamless construction and how easy it is to install. If you're after a budget-friendly yet effective solution, you'll want to hear about this. The oval tube design offers a wider step pad, giving you a stable grip when climbing in and out. Plus, they're built to hold up under heavy weight, supporting up to 500 pounds. Installation is relatively simple, although some users mention that it requires minor drilling for earlier models. But for most, it's a straightforward process. However, a few customers noted that the finish might not hold up as well in extreme weather conditions. Here's the thing, if you live in a milder climate, you might not notice this issue at all. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that's easy to install. Skip this if you frequently drive in harsh conditions and need something that can withstand the elements. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. So to wrap it up, we've covered the COMNOVA running boards, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider COMNOVA side steps, Tiger Auto tracks, and another Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider option. Each of these has its strengths, but it really comes down to your specific needs, whether that's durability, ease of installation, or budget. Hopefully, this guide helps you find the perfect side steps for your Ram 1500.